QR codes are everywhere. You can find them on menus, product packaging, books, signage, marketing materials, even on commercials on TV. But here's the problem. The majority of QR codes are done wrong. They're too small to scan. They lead to broken or outdated links, and most of them offer no tracking, no real insights, and no return on investment. This is exactly why we have written and published our ebook, Codes Demystified. This practical guide walks you through how QR codes actually work and how to use them correctly in your marketing campaigns. You'll learn the difference between static and dynamic QR codes when each one makes sense, and how to avoid mistakes that quietly kill engagement. This book covers QR code sizing, placement, and design rules that prevent scan failures, explains why URL length matters more than you think, and shows you how to use redirects so your QR codes don't break months or years later without having to use third-party services. We teach you to have complete control of your very important digital assets. You also learn how to track scans, measure performance, and improve results over time, turning QR codes from guesswork into a measurable business tool. We have several pages of killer applications to give you some real-world ways to increase your success. If you're a business owner, marketer, author, musician, nonprofit, or creator, this book gives you a clear, reliable framework for using QR codes with purpose. This book is perfect for everyone from the novice to the advanced digital designer. Start scanning smarter and make every scan count. This ebook is available from the Amazon Kindle store or directly from MediaMediaInc.com, where you can learn a lot more about this ebook and purchase it for only $4.99. It is available by immediate digital download in a PDF format.